So the little bump goes at the top of your nose. This is a 4-way pull strip. I do snore. And sometimes I'm a mouth breather. It's like there's some... Do not understand this. Like... It is pulling my nostrils open a little bit.
Okay.
Do you see the little bump right there?
Yeah.
I can feel it pulling like right there. Not uncomfortably, but yeah, it's definitely like that spot on my nose is being pulled out. I don't feel it on this side as much, maybe just because that side doesn't need it as much, but this side, like I can feel it tugging out there. I can breathe through both nostrils, but maybe I could before I put it on. I don't know. I can breathe good. I think it's going to work. Let's see if I snore tonight.
All right.
So I haven't noticed a difference, but my husband says I'm snoring much less. He has heard me snore a little bit one time since using these, but it was very quiet. One night when I was using them, I sounded like I was breathing heavily, but not snoring. As long as I put them on right before I go to bed, they don't bother me at all. If you snore, I recommend you get them. If nothing else, for like, if you're going somewhere, like if you're going to go visit your grandkids or something and have to be sleeping with someone who's not used to hearing you snore, these are worth using. Hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.